Here, we all have assembled again for one of the discussion of one market force that prevailed in all around pandemic COVID-19 with smooth flow functioning. That's none other than supply. So let's check it out. What supply and its loss says? What kind of relationship it maintains with price? So here, warmly welcome you in learning phase for law of supply. I warmly welcome you all in the extension class of a supply that we have started previously. Supply. The availability of your resources in the form of firm, producers, laborers, then you say market, then you continue it with economic agents and its availability to cater the service by utilizing the service rendering of the society resources as input. So hereby law of supply. A basic determined function, a programming segment which gives a backbone to supply is law of supply. That formulate or influence the continuous availability of any resources. It fluctuates as a fundamental principle of economic theory. It has one prominent factor which plays the role of a game changer, that is your price, and other factors are kept constant or same. Here in Hindi it is said that कि आपके सारे प्रभावित करने वाले तत्व को एक तरफ रखकर हम सिर्फ प्राइस पर फोकस करते हैं. वी विल गोइंग टू सप्लाई द क्वांटिटी ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ प्राइस प्रिवेलिंग एट दैट पर्टिकुलर टाइम. And in this, only one key prominent player which fluctuate your supply is your price, and this is said to be the fundamental principle of economic theory, that law of supply has a direct relationship between price and quantity. They both respond positive to each other. If one increases, then other automatically increases. As why it is so? कि एक के इंक्रीज होने से उसका इफेक्ट दूसरे पर पॉजिटिव ही हो, बिकॉज इट स्टेट्स दैट ऑल द अदर फैक्टर्स आर नॉट गोइंग टू इफेक्ट योर सप्लाई. It's only price that will going to affect supply. So when your prices rises, then your buyer going to pay more, and when the goods prices rises, then it increases the profit of the producer. So increases the profit of the producer leads to rise in production, and this rise in production also cut down the cost. So due to that, then there is double profit, so continuous increase in supply takes place. So here it means to say that there is positive relationship, because in order to gain profit, the producer will going to utilize this situation in his benefit, so he will going to increase the supply of good. This shows that there is positive relationship, or there is direct relationship between quantity supplied as with price. So that's why the reason of positive relationship occurred. And when there is positive relationship, you always move towards the upward point, and this upward point makes the supply curve positive, and this is positively sloped supply curve reason that there is complete positive relationship between price and quantity supplied, as due to the price rise there is continuous profit. If the price falls, the supply automatically falls, because it added the burden of a loss or a price lost by, or any opportunity of gain lost by the producer. So that's the law of supply means to say. Thanks for visiting.